You and I are friends. You laugh, I laugh. You cry, I cry. You scream, I scream. If you jump off a bridge, come on, let's go. I'm gonna miss you, buddy.
Guys, welcome back to the channel. ये कट होने के बाद वाली वीडियोस है, ठीक है. See, it's just only 30 ml, okay, but still the price is around 700, coming from a rich family. Oh,
No.
sorry, ultra rich family.
No, I have gone for myself, and I'm professionally an interior designer and a writer, and I'm working as a part-time model.
Blah, blah, blah,
Because
blah,
I'm
blah.
in my holidays, and I don't need to tell you all this. I am having it. That's all.
Please tell me what is this.
This is skin. If you want your skin, you know, you do have these holes and these dark
Yeah.
holes. Yeah.
So it's
what?
helped me to come over. From
Yeah,
just
it's gonna help you. Oh,
shit, मुझे पता नहीं था. Oh my
my god, guys. You can have it. You can use it. Shit, uncle is checking me out.
No.
But I have a guy
Of
next to
course,
me. He's a
भाई.
very fine friend of mine. Guys, stop it.
मैं मार दूंगा उसको. टोटे. Yeah. So guys, right now my friend's going to show what's her in bag, like what he run a bag. So yeah, अरे वो दिखा रही कि उसके बैग में क्या है. ओके, एंड सारी चुपचाप देखेंगे बिकॉज वो मेरी दोस्त है. आई डोंट वांट उसके बैग को देखना है, उसको कोई नहीं देखेगा, समझे. ओके, आई एम वेरी पॉजिटिव फ्रेंड फॉर माय फीमेल फ्रेंड. सो just shut your mouth and keep silent and let's see what she going to show you. Okay, let's start. Okay, बस हो गया.
Okay. This is my bag. I got it from my first income and हम थोड़ा मोबाइल ऐसे कर लें.
Yeah,
that's
बिल्कुल.
totally fine. क्या हम इस प्लेट को तो रख दे सामने? ऐसे रख दे, फेंक दे.
Thank the
Thank
the guys.
I फेंक दे. So what I wanna say, like I got it from my first income because I'm professionally an interior designer and by desires I'm a writer, I'm a poetess. You can see it by my words and how I talk. So yes, I have like this thing I have added on my own.
Okay.
This also, but I have tied it because it's my choice, guys.
ये बैग के अंदर के दिखाने हैं, उसके साथ वाले.
अरे वो भी दिखाते हैं यार.
ओके.
अब सब अंदर का दिखाते तो अंदर का ही थोड़ी है भाई, बाहर का भी जरूरी
बिल्कुल,
है.
बिल्कुल.
और इसमें सैनिटाइजर है. Sometimes toxic people shake.
ओपनिंग तो बाहर से ही होती है.
Sometimes toxic people shake hand with you, no? Guys,
कोई नहीं guys.
we are too toxic to be true. That's why we
Just
we
remember.
use we
ये
use
दिन याद
sanitizer.
रखना, ये मैं
We-
पोस्ट करूंगा एंड जस्ट रिमेंबर दिस. ओके, एक दिन आएगा देखना. You know.
क्या कहते हैं, हमने इसीलिए सैनिटाइजर यूज किया क्योंकि we are too toxic to be true. Isn't it true?
That was so true. Okay, yeah.
So
Continue, please.
it is having a छोटी pocket. So पहले हम इसकी unboxing करेंगे. सब कुछ गिर गया.
ये हाल है. Like, okay.
Oh shit, कुछ और भी गिर गया. I'm just a clumsy girl.
They know very well. सोच अगर मैं इसे केवी अली लाल के ग्रुप में डाल दूं फिर क्या होगा?
So what's in our bag? We were doing it.
Yeah. Let's start with the first one thing that is निकल नहीं रही है. निकल गई.
It's a mirror. I got it for myself.
थोड़ा कैमरे के पास.
And तुम कैमरा थोड़ा पास कर लो ना यार, उसको ऐसे पास कर लो ना.
Okay guys, just wait for a second. मुझे
Wow.
like this. Okay.
Yeah.
Now it's fine.
Yeah, it's totally fine. हम इसको ऐसे कर सकते हैं सीधा. But then ऐसे हम पूरे आ रहे हैं ना.
ऐसे पूरे आ रहे हैं, वैसे पूरे नहीं आएंगे.
तो देखो, I got this mirror cause you I know I'm not narcissistic person.
Ouch. Like you see. Oh my god.
That's all.
Okay, next. Move to the next thing that is.
It's an earring case क्योंकि आप देख सकते हो. Shit, हमने बताया नहीं इनको.
नहीं बताया.
I got my piercing done 1, 2, 3
Clap,
and
guys,
4.
clap. Say it.
It hurts, but you have to be strong. Yes. And see, I'm married to my desires, passion, and ambitions. That's all a lady is about. And this is you gonna tell me like why a person wears a thumb ring, and you all should start wearing a thumb ring. You to can't because he's a gentleman. That's all.
Nice. Proud of my, friend. Meeting after few. Yeah, can you imagine, guys? Like we are meeting after 5 years and we're still like this much frank, Like,
Yeah.
इतना मैंने
And
बाल से मैंने इतना नहीं.
देखो, I am having this kajal and this is the new one actually. I got it for this thing क्योंकि मेरे को नजर लग जाती है. पंडित जी ने बोला मुझे काजल लगाने
Yes.
के लिए.
और ये भाई सही बात है. देख लो अभी कितने लोग देख रहे होंगे.
ये विटामिन ई कैप्सूल है. Just for your skin, and it's a earring, but I'm already wearing one, but I'm gonna change it. शायद हम इसके लिए earlobes ले, फिर we wanna change it.
Okay.
And this is the another one. You can see it's a leaf. आपने वीड लीफ देखा होगा, बट ये वो नहीं है जो आप सोच रहे हैं, वो नहीं है। ओके इतना मत सोचो, बस मुझे देखो जो मैं चीज़ें दिखा रही हूँ। इट्स
मुझे देखो?
नो इट्स एन एंकलेट। ये देखो जो मैं दिखा रही हूँ, इट्स एन एंकलेट।
खा रही है।
इट्स एन एंकलेट, ठीक है। इट्स अ चेन, और आज मैंने चेन नहीं पहनी है, सो आई नीड टू वियर इट।
ये क्या, ये तो वही बात आ गई फिर।
गेट रेडी विद मी नहीं हो रहा है यहाँ पे। अरे मेरी सच में चेन गुम हो गई यार।
लाइक क्या? ओके गाइस, बी पॉजिटिव ऑलवेज। आई एम अ AB पॉजिटिव ग्रुप, ओके ब्लड ग्रुप मेरा AB पॉजिटिव है, देन आई एम मोर पॉजिटिव, बट स्टिल
See, you can see how pretty it looks. बस इससे ज़्यादा देखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। Okay. I'm having
Do
that. Yeah. What's up, shorties? And this is a bracelet. Can you help me wearing it?
मैं पहनूं, तुझे पहनाऊं?
Wait.
Sliver.
I guess we can't wear it. Shake it off. We don't have to.
वाओ।
And this is the another earring. ये देखो, ये सेम है। ये तुम देखोगे कितने प्यारे हैं ये। मैं क्यों दिखाऊं तुम्हें? चलो दिखाई देती हूँ।
यार मेरी ऑडियंस है, बिकॉज दे डिजर्व इट टू सी। वाओ।
तो बटरफ्लाइज, बट मैं जब भी ये पहनती हूँ ना, तो मैं कभी भी सेम इयरिंग्स नहीं पहनती हूँ। लाइक यस, अब देख रहे हो ये सारे सेम है, बट यहाँ पे सिर्फ मेरा एक साइड है, क्योंकि मैं इसे साइड पार्ट करती हूँ, तो आई जस्ट नीड वन। और अभी वी गॉट इट टुडे।
वाह, हाँ ये मैंने दिलवाया।
या यस, ये इसने दिलवाया। He's a good one, guys. Come on, girls, please take notes. He's a good one.
No.
He's a good one. Yeah,
I'm
trust
not,
me.
you know.
And you wanna see what's in the back? And it's a moisturizer, cause you always need to
Moisturize your skin.
not your skin. It's a hand lotion. Give me a hand.
Why? Like I'm using after I don't know very long time.
Yeah.
You know, boys never do makeup. They already
It's
born
not
beautiful.
makeup. It's ये मेरे को कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री मिली थी, क्योंकि मैंने थोड़ी ज़्यादा शॉपिंग कर ली थी, तो
भिखारियों की चीजें भी उठा लेती है, फ्री की चीजें क्यों उठाती
अरे
है?
कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री मिली थी यार ये।
Still, I like you are coming from a rich family. Why are you taking this
I'm
shit?
not rich. I don't take my father's money. You should know this.
Oh yeah, that's
It's
so
my
bad.
mama.
But still, she was
अरे
earning
मैंने
at
तीन हजार की
the,
शॉपिंग
still
करी
she
थी
was
ना।
earning at the age of 20. So
3000 की शॉपिंग करी थी मैंने, तो ये मेरी बहन ने दी थी, जो दीदी वहाँ पे शॉप करवा रही थी, तो शी वाज लाइक अ सिस्टर टू मी, एंड शी सेड यू शुड ट्राई इट। और आप अपने वो जो रिव्यूज होते हैं वो डाल सकते हैं।
I love the lighting.
Yeah, so do I. And you can see it's a Snoopy. Wow. Say wow.
Wow.
Wow. Yeah. You can see
Oh
I have.
my god, like literally.
I love writing.
Can I just saw it, this one? Oh my god, like यार ये तो मेरे काम का है, रख लूँ मैं? Guys क्या बोलते हो? नहीं यार. You know, she already gave me something. I just show you, okay? After
It's
after ending
charger.
of this video.
This is charger. These are two leads. One is for the charger and one
Okay.
is for the power bank.
Okay.
And I'm gonna show you my power bank too, क्योंकि मेरी सारी चीज़ें बहुत ज़्यादा cool है. See, it's a power bank. Never settle for less. And it's the thing. This is a dinosaur. And this is this. These are you. No, you are not. And this is can do
But
anything.
you know, my vlogs are also seen by my father, my mother also.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
I
अरे,
mean, but still, it's fine. You know, my father is friend with me. My
this
parents
this
are
is
good.
the ship. This person is a ship, and he wanna sail. Like he wanna go in the cruise and gonna eat octopus. Dude.
No, अरे यार ये चीजें बतानी नहीं होती, you know,
Yeah.
like नजर लग जाती है.
And it's a pen. It's one more charger, just in case कि अगर कहीं पे बड़ा वाला नहीं फिक्स होता है, तो you can have this छोटा वाला. Wow! Yeah. And it's a lip balm.
Of course, I have also this one, you know.
And it's a pen. इसमें 4 तरीके के पेन है.
Yeah,
One
I still
green.
remember, you know, when
Yeah.
I was in 8th or 10th, I remember I took this one.
Yeah.
We have also, you know, we have a green one, which we, like in our school, there's only principal who use green one pen.
This coffee I got it for Prashant.
Thank you guys. But you know very well, like, मैं खा लूँगा यार.
Black coffee पीती हूँ मैं, इसको black पियेंगे. I'll make you drink this.
ठीक है, next time whenever I come.
No, we'll have it today.
Okay.
And this is a mirror.
Okay. शक्ल दिखाओ. वो शीशे मुझे पसंद नहीं जिसमें शक्ल अच्छी ना आती हो, और ये उनमें से एक नहीं है.
This is the watch.
one of the beautiful guys. See yourself. Of course कुछ नहीं दिख रहा होगा, but still. Okay.
Now I feel like changing a watch. So क्योंकि अभी मैंने वो सिल्वर वाली पहनी है ना, तो उससे मैचिंग हम सिल्वर घड़ी पहनेंगे. This is by Titan and this
Wait,
is by.
I also wear silver one ना.
या ट्यूनिंग कर रहे हैं ना हम आज.
भी
And
पहन भाई.
अभी पहन रही हूँ बहन, और उसके बाद हम ओ भाई, नो भाई बहन, क्योंकि हम दोस्त हैं. कुछ
Yeah.
लोग दोस्त हैं अच्छे. This is one black and this is a silver one. And मैं seriously बोलूँ तो जूस के ये बहुत अच्छे होते हैं, क्योंकि ये जूसी होते हैं. मतलब in what sense कि oh you can see it.
Still guys, मेरे ज़्यादा अच्छे हैं, right? Looking more clear, you know, hygienic.
What do you mean hygienic? Take
It's
this
very
and keep
hygienic.
quiet.
गाइस ये रह गई थी मेरी दोस्ती 1 रुपया।
बस नहीं शैम्पेन नहीं, लिसन टू मी, नाउ लिसन टू मी।
वाह शैम्पी वाह।
नहीं नगमा नहीं, see this is a notebook, मेरे को whenever I feel like that I should write, I'm gonna write something for him too. So yes, this is the book and what I've written recently. तुम कैमरा उठा सकते हो क्या?
ऑफ कोर्स बताओ कहाँ क्या उठाऊं। अच्छा कैमरा। सी गाइस
See, this is मैंने क्या लिखा है, I'll make you read it. I am an angel who lives by her agitation, ambition, passion, compassion, desires to aspire to build a dedicated discipline. She still desires the sanity and the sane storm. Like, what is this sane storm? That तुम्हारी awakening हो गई है, like हमारी होगी, हमें पता है हम इसको कुक बनना है, मुझे पता है मुझे राइटर बनना है और मुझे बहुत कुछ करना है. So चमक चमक.
वाओ एक्साइटिंग।
You know, guys, you should not think like हम इतनी अभी हम काफ़ी टाइम से यहाँ पे बैठे, it's gonna be an hour or
Yeah,
so,
more
maybe
than
more
1
than
hour.
that. So this is that subtle art of not giving up. That's a bad word और मैं bad words नहीं बोलती because I'm a good girl.
सी अब अच्छे दोस्त बनाता हूँ मैं।
And this is जो इसकी author है इस book की, she has written like 500 poems or something and this is her first book.
Okay.
और इसकी real copy मिलना it's very difficult. If you wanna see it, you know girls, what is it? It's Wuthering Heights by Avril Bronte.
You know,
She's-
it's good if you are. See, I'm not a good reader, but still, there are some books
Do
which
you
I'm
wanna
also
see?
reading.
Do you wanna see something, guys? See, it's a bookmark, and how you gonna use it? This is my book, and this is how
इधर
you.
देखो।
This is
Okay.
how you gonna open it. हाँ, और ऐसे you're gonna take the page you are reading. Suppose I was reading this. ठीक है? So you're gonna do this thing and see. Wow!
Oh my God,
God,
that
yeah.
was a good one. You know, I also like those things. You know.
Yeah, and this I got these for Prashant. And where's your diary?
Ah,
Ah, yes.
I have. You know, मैंने पहले ही संभाल के रख ली थी।
Good. He's
Because
good.
I don't want to, you know.
He loves pink things, so I'm gonna give him this also. This is for you.
No,
Do
you
what?
already give it. Like I'm not
No,
using on
the-
a daily basis now.
But you can write whenever you feel like missing. You know, like sometimes what happens, like you wanna talk to a person and the person is not available, and you will, and yes, and you will feel like, कि भाई सच में we all are so busy doing in our life, so you can write it out.
बैग खाली हो गया।
हाँ.
See, guys, listen. इतना बड़ा बैग था, like इतना बड़ा बैग था। See कितना सा था, right?
ये देखो ये कितना pretty है.
This one is good one, right? And इतना कुछ निकला सिर्फ इतने से बैग से। Can you imagine it? Like wow, like how can girls do these things? You know, for me if I'm putting my like around 2 pairs of clothes, तो मेरा ना एक backpack full हो जाता है। And I was thinking,
You
what the
don't
heck?
have to use two with pair. क्योंकि pair already two होती है. That's why you can't put 2 pairs of clothes in one bag.
कभी कभी पता है कि अगर तेरे कुछ दोस्त गलत बोल या कर रहा है ना तो कभी कभी साथ देना पड़ता है।
पता
मोस्टली
है?
सोशल मीडिया पे।
Oh shit! No, like अगर तुम्हारा दोस्त तुम्हारे सामने गलत बोले तो उसको ठीक करो ताकि वो किसी और
हाँ,
के सामने गलत ना बोले.
That's the
Yeah,
point.
that's the
But
point.
अभी कोई और है।
नहीं वो इसने जो 2 पेयर होती है 2 ही पेयर होती है. तुमने अगर उसका 2 या
See,
पेयर
guys,
हटाया.
leave it, whatever she was saying.
He wanna
Right now,
make you see something. दो
see.
पढ़ो ये सुनो ये.
I'm not a good reader, you know.
मतलब ये दिखा रहा है ना
हाँ
कुछ मेरे
मैं
को नहीं
दिखा
देखना
रहा
है,
हूँ
इसको
मैं
देखना है.
हाँ मैं दिखा रहा हूँ राइट गाइस अभी मुझे देखो ठीक है हाँ वो आ रही है कोई बात नहीं
No.
इसको हटा दो अभी ये देखो right now she just you know purchased it for me and she wrote something for me in the on a first page okay that was a very good thing मुझे समझ नहीं आया क्या लिखा but still it was a very good and if you are opening the last page also so she know like she also signature here and say something to me like we meet on last date on this day or whatever it is and we are meeting after 5 years and for me this is a one of the most big you know like very big thing कि मैं किसी दोस्त से 5 साल बाद मिला हूँ and still we are very frank with each other बना होता है ना like you are meeting after so long time so you was thinking कि सामने वाला change हो गया you are the different one but we are not right and if you are meeting after 10 years also still we are same right this one is not good one I'm good in you know short hairs my father you know like he's also good like love short hair that's why I'm do this
Guys, सब
अरे
कमेंट में ये लिख दो कि वो हेयर्स नहीं वो हेयर
अरे here okay my father love this cutting that's why I'm do this like
Yeah, we
wow
are just-
and I'm looking so good in this you know like I'm doing it after long time after you know after 3 years I'm do this buzz cut this is known
I did
as
this
buzz
cut
cut right
I did this cut and it's called the buzz cut.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's very good on me.
Yeah,
Right now
it seriously look good on. It seriously look fine on you. अगर तू यहाँ से ऐसे वो faded वाला नहीं होता थोड़ा वैसे करवाए. But it's totally fine. Like it's his choice because it's dad and he loves it. That's all we want. No one will say something. No.
Okay guys, see यार ऐसी दोस्त फिर क्या ज़रूरत है यार तुम्हें, you know, why you need a girl in your life यार, ऐसी दोस्त मिल जाए सुधारने के लिए. So like this one is good. And the point is, you can't imagine, we are meeting after 5 years, we don't have plan to, you know, like right now in morning she was saying to me ki let's meet, okay, and after completing my college मैं यहाँ आया,
Do
okay.
you need a mic?
Yeah, I want mic, you know, I want to say some.
अरे मैंने अपनी water bottle नहीं दिखाई.
For sure, a water bottle actually right now it's, you know, so.
You wanna see, guys? It has this thing to hold and it has this thing to open it and
Can you do it again? How you open it? Wow! Spring लगे हैं guys इसमें, you know. So yeah, and yeah, we are meeting after 5 years, right? Maybe 6 years, like about it.
maybe more than that.
More than that. So last time I'm 9th में मिले थे, as I remember. So now what happened, like you can't imagine. We don't even like. In morning we talk कि आज evening में मिलते हैं and we are, you know, हमने बनाया plan कि that we are going to meet.
Though
and
I
all,
was
etc.,
late and
etc.
he was so agitated, he even cut the call.
Yeah, like of course, yeah, you
because
know.
I was late. See, guys, you know, traffic.
यार केवी में पढ़े हम, ये तो यार of course केवी वाले तो ये सिखाते हैं ना, like पंक्चुअल तो रहो टाइम के
अरे
साथ.
पर
I'm
भाई
not.
मैं पंक्चुअल थी, मैं 5 मिनट पहले निकली बट मेरा रेपिडो वाला लेट आया.
रेपिडो वाला तू तो.
हाँ तो वो रेपिडो वाला ही था.
रेपिडो वाला तो नहीं था
वो उसके बाद मैंने रेपिडो उस तक पहुंचने के लिए.
Guys, like she was so live. पता है जब मैंने तुझे पहली बार कॉल किया था at that time you were also over there. इतना तो मुझे भी पता है, ठीक है.
Yes, I was on the studio.
हाँ,
क्योंकि मैं वहीं पे उसका वेट कर रही थी.
वहीं पे उसका वेट कर. पीछे कौन था फिर वो लड़का? He was saying कि नहीं, you are coming in. Whatever it is, but still, you can't imagine. And when we made now, we both have same outfit. Like ऊपर से नीचे like.
And we were so confused कि हमें कहाँ पे मिला. H&M इतना बड़ा ना, इसको पता था, मेरे को पता था.
हाँ.
मैं दूसरी साइड से दूसरी साइड से
And we are meeting in a mid and I was shocking कि you know हमारे दोनों ने एक same outfit right now also like. मैंने अभी जो कोट उतारा हुआ है like it's totally same, you know. After this video I'm going to just copy it or you know just edit it and show you how is it, but it's totally you know same. And I was saying wow, like this is called true friendship, right?
You don't need to you know decide everything that okay like let's twin or let's match the outfits cause हम इतने time बाद मिल रहे हैं.
Of course.
If it's gonna happen, then it's gonna happen like a snap.
And
That's
it's
all.
very good, like
It's great actually.
wow.
Wow.
This one is good. Okay. So बाकी आज के लिए यही था. It's around 17-minute video and I hope that you enjoy it and if I like it then go like share, subscribe it and
Subscription is important, guys. If you wanna see him more and me more. in
yeah
videos.
together in a video.
Yeah.
Okay.
And do
so
let
because
me know what
next
you
time
like the
yeah and if you want the
more.
next time again you want to see her, so next time I'm going to Shimla to meet her, okay, in her college and at that time we meet it again, okay. So
Yes.
that all about today's video and right now she was again packing up her bag, you know. बहुत तेज है ये, बहुत तेज है ये लड़की, you know, like it's very बाकी
And we discuss so much about life. That's मतलब कुछ problems होती हैं जो like people are not that open to discuss them.
मैं बता दूं मैं इससे 3 दिन बड़ा हूँ. I'm born in 2005, 5 December 2005 and she's born in 8 December 2005. Like it's you know कितने
It's
पास
just a
पास है.
coincidence.
But still.
But still, like coincidence say you meet good people also. Like look at us.
Genuine people.
Genuine peoples
Yeah.
नहीं people you go. Peoples guys people.
हे भगवान.
See Bhagwan, that's what I'm gonna do.
Oh my god. So yeah, that was all about this video. Hope you like it and bye bye guys.
Bye.
अभी हम घूमेंगे, कोई नहीं, मैं उसकी भी शॉर्ट वीडियो इफ़ यू आर नॉट ऑन माई इंस्टाग्राम सो मैं इसका भी इंस्टाग्राम डाल दूँ,
Yes.
है ना, डाल रहा हूँ बट स्टिल. हाँ
But मेरे को कोई टेक्स्ट नहीं करेगा गंदे
Of course,
गंदे.
okay,
अगर
हाँ.
तुम इसको जानते हो तुम मेरे को भी जानते होगे. Only
Of
hi and say we saw you in Prashant's video and that's we wanna
Whatever
have a
it is.
conversation.
Yeah,
And you
and-
can discuss anything and everything with me, but not the lesbian and gay shit. क्योंकि I'm straight.
पापा देख रहे.
Oh.
Yeah, but still, it's very fine. बाकी तुम करो यार. If you want to talk with her, talk in a polite way. I think you know, if you are my subscriber, then you know how to talk with girls, okay? मैंने उस पे वीडियो बनाई हुई है.
I'm not a girl, I'm a lady. अगर तुम मेरे साथ rude
Yeah,
भी
lady
होते
of
हो,
course. है ना?
I'm gonna.
She have a lot of option to handle you, okay? It's not about वो मुझे बहुत अच्छे से संभाल लेती है, so you are a kid right now, okay? बाकी ठीक है, रहो. Or yeah, after this video, I'm going to edit some videos of us, like clips or something. Okay, same
And I have
outfit, whatever
something
it
for
is.
him, like I
Me?
Yeah, because
Correct,
I love black coffee.
You already gave it to me, na?
Like
This one.
it's the cutest one क्योंकि इसमें उल्लू बना है.
अरे.
Guys, do let me know what is your spirit animal and what is your spirit animal? Like with the animal you relate the most.
हाँ. Still, I don't know. Like, I never think about it. But if I got a chance, if I want to become something, then I want to become a leopard.
Makes sense. Cause he's individual. He know what he wants from life, and he know when he has to sit alone and when he has to fight. So this is for him. Cause my spirit animal is an owl. You can. Wow.
Like, but it's very good day. पता है, one of the, you know, I don't know about her. She like meet with a lot of boys in a day or whatever it is. Like, not
Excuse me.
not in that way, not in a that
Excuse
way.
me. I went in a studios cause
No,
I am a tattoo
studio or
artist
whatever
too.
it is. Like, okay, but for me, this is the first day of my, you know, like New Year that I can celebrate with someone, my best friend. Maybe I can call her best friend.
He can call me
right?
his best friend.
But the point is, like, it's very good day for me also.
It's actually great for me too. Because I can meet random people like this, but you know what it feels like to be like
know.
you were in connection like back and then, and you just used to connect over a call or a text. And sometimes when he used to call, I used to be busy, and when I used to call, he
I
used
was
to be
busy, but
and
still.
but still, like it's all about the timing and the
It's
quick.
all about the God plans, you know.
God plan,
Yeah.
God plan.
So, yeah.
एक Drake का song है, you should listen to it. It's a great song.
So yeah.
Yeah. And this is for him. These both. Brew की कॉफी बहुत अच्छी होती है. People have overhyped Nescafe.
तू
and-
बना रही है मुझे मैं बना
हाँ,
मैं
we'll make it. We'll
Okay.
make it.
उसकी मैं वीडियो डालूंगा. So बाकी
And for a record that I'm also gonna start a YouTube channel soon, cause I'm literally working on a lot of things right now. Like not working, cause I want them work. That's all I wanna say. And
you know I'm also thinking to go in modeling.
modeling, you should. He is having a great height of personality and whatnot, guys.
Right.
And please girls don't break good guys' heart.
अरे what the heck नहीं वो नहीं बोलना बाबा ऐसा कुछ नहीं है ठीक
गोरिल्ला
है
ग्लास
इसको
के
नहीं
फोन पे पर इसके दिल पे नहीं guys. Okay, bye.
What the Okay guys bye bye
This are
talk
for
to you
him.
later
Free up yourself.